Hi, my name is Denise. I'm a member of Victory Fit and also Next Chapter. I joined the team because I ran into my coach one Wednesday after Bible study. She had on all of her Beachbody gear, and I just inquired what it was all about. And she told me about getting fit, exercising, and eating healthy. So I said, I don't like exercising that much, but I really need to lose weight, and I really need to be a better role model for my daughter. So I'll give it a try. But shortly after I started, I found out that I was expecting, so my transformation story has been put on hold. But I've also been encouraged to work out more, to eat healthier, and also I enjoy having the accountability of the team. I think my coach is the best. She lives through example. She's always posting videos, being encouraging, just text messaging, finding out about our workouts, finding out if we're eating right. And I can honestly say that had I not joined the team, that I probably would have given up with all my setbacks. But through the team, I've been encouraged to constantly try to do better, to eat better, to work out. And I think it's awesome that you have the accountability factor, because even when you don't want to, there's always people there that share your struggle. They're very supportive, and they've been through it, so they know. So I think that other people should join our team. If you're looking forward to losing weight and getting fit, and also having the accountability and having people that are supportive, that know the struggle and that share the struggle, and that you can learn from and be encouraged through. It's awesome. I think we have the best team in the world. I think I have the best coach, Tamika Barrett. She's always living by example. I see her constantly posting videos, constantly working out, and just encouraging us to do better and to be better. And what better way to live except through by example? And without her and her encouraging words and her encouraging videos, I can honestly say that I would have quit a long time ago. So join our team. I think it's the best. Have a good day.